Hello everyone, I've just finished my face with Sacha eyeshadows, liners by Nicka, brow powder by LA Girl, all found and everything face. So I've started my show again, which is Makeup Giants, and I'm doing that on YouTube. I'm sorry that you guys don't have footage to see anything from Makeup Giants from before, but you can always go to their Instagram and check it out. But it's going to be very interesting because Halloween is going to be lit. This is going to be the first time we're stocking paints, blood, latex, liquid latex, spirit gum, you name it. So just check us out on Facebook. That'll be most appreciated. You see everything there, such as prices. You can place orders. Let's do this. Makeup Giant is